Welcome to the HotHealth training video on how to set up the online store. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps of adding products, organizing categories, setting prices, and managing your online store so your customers have a smooth shopping experience. To begin, click on the Profile button and select Dashboard. From the dashboard, go to the section Settings and click on Store. In the store settings, you'll be able to update the section name, adjust section visibility, set who can manage the store and add a sale notification email. You can also access items, purchases, and the Stripe dashboard here. Keep in mind that to fully use the store feature, you'll need to set up your Stripe account to securely receive payments. Let's move on to items. This is where all the products in your store are listed. To edit or delete an item, select it and click View Item Details, then choose Edit. From here, you can update details, duplicate the item or delete it if needed. Once your changes are done, just click Publish. To add a new item, go back to the store and click Add Item. Enter the item name, description, preferred image, price, shipping cost, and any item-specific questions. Be sure to enable the Available for Sale setting. Once everything is complete, click Publish. To manage purchases, return to the store and select Purchases. Here you'll see all items bought by customers. You can view purchase details, edit or make a refund, or mark items as fulfilled once your organization has provided them. Below, you'll also find a list of pending items that are still waiting to be fulfilled. And that's how you manage and add items in the online store. To find out more about HotHealth, visit our website at www.hothealth.com.